In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unblock time on Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're managing appointments for yourself, for yourself, or coordinating a busy schedule for a team, knowing how to make changes to your calendar is essential. Let's dive in and take a look at how you can unblock time on your Acuity calendar effectively. First, start by navigating to your Acuity calendar view. This is your main workspace where all your appointments, blocks, and availability are displayed. It's important to get familiar with this view since it's where all the magic happens in terms of scheduling and adjustments. Once you have your calendar open, the next step is to locate the colored block on the calendar that represents the block time. These blocks are visual indicators of time slots that have been set aside, meaning no appointments can be booked during these periods. They're usually highlighted in a distinct color, making them easy to spot. Take a moment to find the specific block you want to remove. This is crucial, especially if your calendar is filled with multiple entries. After pinpointing the block, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options related to that specific time block. Here, you'll want to select the option that says Delete or Remove Block. This option is your go-to for freeing up the time you've previously blocked off. With just one click, you're one step closer to making that time available for appointments again. Now, if the block time was set as a recurring block, which means it repeats over a certain period, perhaps daily, weekly, or even monthly, Acuity will present you with an additional option. A prompt will appear asking if you want to delete just this single instance of the block or if you'd like to remove all future occurrences. This feature is particularly useful if you're only looking to make a one-time change without affecting your entire schedule. Consider your needs carefully here. If you only need to free up that specific day or time, select the option to remove just this instance. However, if your schedule has changed and you no longer need the recurring block at all, choose to delete all future occurrences. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked time on your Acuity scheduling calendar. This process not only gives you flexibility, but also ensures that your time management is as efficient as possible. It's always a good idea to double check your calendar afterward to ensure everything looks as you intended. Make sure the time is now available for new appointments or tasks. Remember, mastering these small changes in your scheduling tool can significantly impact how you manage your time and commitments. With Acuity Scheduling, you have the power to control and adjust your availability with ease, making it a valuable tool for both personal and professional use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a quick refresher on how to unblock time on Acuity Scheduling. Happy scheduling!